Hi, we will see in this video how to use MTM Data Card in Teamcenter Manufacturing Process Planner. Open the time secondary view for the operation. Teamcenter has 4 MTM process building block systems, which are MTM SBW, MTM UAS, MTM MEK, and MTM MOS. Select the appropriate task in order to insert the activity. We have the ability to choose tasks from different MTM systems as well. If you want to change the frequency of the activity and category, you can do it. The work time will be automatically updated based on the frequency. After adding all the necessary activities, ensure that you update the allocated time for the operation. This update will modify the allocated time for the operation. If you're interested in discovering how Teamcenter configuration can benefit your business, please get in touch, queries@philocs.com. Thanks for watching the video.